Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing how to make fishbowl slime. First, you're going to start off with taking some Elmer's clear school glue. She's going to be using Elmer's color glue. Any clear PVA glue will do for this. Open it up and take the desired amount of how much slime you want and put it into your bowl. Now you're going to take any activator and put it in. It doesn't matter the activator. She's going to be using liquid starch and I'm going to be using borax. If you're using the borax, make sure you only add a little bit at a time. You can add more for the liquid starch. Mix very lightly with the clear slime because then you won't form as many air bubbles. Keep on adding activator until your slime is fully formed. We'll get right back to you when it's formed. So now you're going to go grab some fishbowl beads. You can find them technically anywhere at a grocery store or on Amazon. You're going to put them at the top and just mix them in until you have the desired amount. This is my first time making a fishbowl slime, so sorry for any mistakes that have been done. This is such a nice crunchy slime. I love it. So, hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments down below for any ideas for what we should do next. Subscribe to our channel, turn on that notification bell, and hit that like button. See you guys next time. Bye!